started watching and listening to individuals who earn a lot of money, in particular who earn 10,000 and above, 5,000 and above, even they earn, and this one is in dollars, not in your local currency. So have you also ever wondered of how small channels, especially the ones without a lot of they are not influencers and they don't have a lot of subscribers, even views, but they earn a lot of money that we didn't expect it? Have you ever wondered how small channels are making this 10,000 per month on YouTube? It might sound too good to be true, like the way I used to think, but it's absolutely possible. And today I'm going to be breaking down exactly what exactly is done. Whether you're just starting out of your YouTube or you've been grinding for a while like me, now I'm 2 years. For a while, these strategies are backed by research and real life success stories that have gotten from individuals who are making it will put you on the path to hitting that 10K mark. Let's dive in right now and see what exactly can you do. What can you strategize on? What can you bench on to make $10,000? Yes, I know there are some doubting Thomases who will say no, you cannot do it, but people like me and you who are there to do it, who are there to make it, you will understand by the time you finish this video. When I was starting this YouTube, I started when I was earning 0.02, and I know people are watching me. There are some of you individuals, however much you have the following, however much you have a lot of views, but you're earning, you find a video is having 10,000 views, but you're getting $2 or 0.0 something. Here today we're going to be looking at how we can hit the $10,000 monthly from YouTube, whether you're just starting up or you're already there. So in this video, before I dive in this video, I would love to appreciate everybody, especially the returning viewers and even the subscribers, whoever comes every day, and to those people who do engagement, I give you salute. Engagement is very key, essential. People who like, people who comment, and people who share. Thank you very much. You know, Immaculate Show, we are into more of teaching you how to earn money without putting any investment, how to grow your social media platforms. At the same time, we dispense love by teaching you what exactly is real love by using a love revelation. So as we begin, we're going to be looking at this video, how to hit your $10,000 in 1 month on YouTube in different clusters. The first cluster, we're going to see how to set up realistic expectations. Then in the second one, we are going also to see other things, but let me not delay you. Get to know that this video might be a bit longer than others, so please keep tuned, because we all want to earn more than 10,000 US dollars. I'm very sure all of us will want to earn that money. So let's dive in and see. The first thing you should do, you guys, you should set realistic expectations. When I talk about realistic expectation, let's see some of the realistic expectation in making 10,000 per month on YouTube. You know, there are people who will feel, yeah, when you hear this video, even like the way I used to hear other people, and I would say, yes, let me take 10,000. No, it has to be realistic. Making 10,000 US dollars per month on YouTube doesn't come overnight. It's not a miracle, and you not get it in a twinkle of an eye. This one is a journey, and it requires consistent effort. It requires consistent show up. It requires smart strategies, and it requires patience. In these three things, consistency, smart strategy, and patience, they go hand in hand. There are some people who have dropped down because they wanted to make millions of money out of YouTube or out of social media, and they ended up just going out because they did not make it in their specific period of time they wanted. So what do you do in this? In being consistent as a content creator, you have to set up your goals. When we talk about consistency in showing up in posting, if you're posting once in a week, are you really doing it? If you're posting 2 times a week, are you really doing it? You're not going to post once and you come after 1 month, then you complain, you say, I'm not hitting the 10,000 dollars. No, you have to make sure that you're consistent. At least the gap between the time you upload is at least narrow. There are people who are posting on a monthly basis, they post 4 times. There are people who are posting 8 times. What about you? Like me, when I was doing this survey, I made it on a daily basis. Later, I came to see that it is draining me, so I made sure that at least in a week, I should post 3 to 4. I should do upload of 4 to 5 videos. So that is the consistency we mean. Then smart strategy and patience. The content creators who are earning this amount typically have a well-defined niche, a loyal audience, and a diversified income stream. So how do you get there? Let's break it down. I'm going to go down with you in this consistency, in the strategy, and at the same time in patience. How do you really go that side? You have to choose a profitable niche. When we talk about a profitable niche, I'm going to show you how to make a profitable niche. The foundation of a successful YouTube, I've come to know, it has to be laid on a right niche. From research I've made, you'll be seeing these people, like the screenshots on our interface. This is where the research come from. From research I've made, we found out that niches like personal finance, technology, online education, health and wellness tend to be more profitable. Why do you think it's like this? It's because the topics attract a dedicated audience and other numerous monetization opportunities, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorship, and selling digital products. But when we talk about the niche now, when I break it down for you, if I give you an example of the niches that I follow that made me even learn all these things, like is called Ruth Orams. Ruth Orams is into education and it's more of education about YouTube channel and how to grow it and all other things associated with it. If you look at her channel on the screen, it's not that she's going overboard. It's not like she's getting millions of views, no. But from her explanation and what she always teaches us, she says she earns many dollars. Can I call it a lot of dollars? In dollars. She earns in dollars. She has decided to make it be her own business, meaning that she comes every day. And because it is education and because it is more tutorial, that's why she's getting a lot of money. So if you know you are into that, you can also get money. But there are other things that you have to consider if you're going into these niches. Take a look, an example. I'm going to give you another technical review channel. We have a channel of this gentleman. This gentleman has been saying, really, I've been following him. He's into techno and he gets a lot of not a lot of views, but he says he's earning some good amount of money. So when you look at him, really is not into subscribers. Subscribers are not that of importance, though he needs them. But when you go down and you check his views are not also extremely alarming that maybe that's why he's getting a lot of money. No. But when you go and check his niche, the niche is all about education and technical things. That's why advertisers also pay him a lot of money, and it ends up also making him make a lot of money on this. So I advise you that if you want to really to make some good amount of money, you can venture into this, but you not venture into these niches without passion, without love, and without a smart strategy for you to understand and learn more about it. Then we are going to talk about content strategy and upload consistency. All of them, they are in the other 3 things I told you. You have to mind about smart strategy, consistency, and persistence. Let's talk about content strategy. One common thread among successful YouTubers is their focus on creating high quality, variable content consistently. You don't need to upload every day, but you don't need to show up regularly. You really need to show up regularly. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, consistent builds trust with your audience and keeps them coming back. I've tried all these things. I've tried to make sure that I upload daily. I've tried to make sure that I upload 3 times. Really, I've done it really well. But research shows that small channels with consistent upload schedule grow faster, and it's not about quantity, it's about quality matters too. Every video should aim to provide value, solve a problem, or entertain your viewers. When your content resonates it increases watch time, boosts engagement, and pushes your videos up on YouTube or algorithm. So you guys, as I told you, consistent content strategy and upload consistency, we should not only remind about before you people everybody would tell us about you have to have quality. Then when you go and see other people who have no quality, they don't even edit, you see them having very nice extremely great views. But if you come to go to their back end and you ask them estimated income, you might find their back end they don't have money at all. They have in very small money. And when I studied the people who are making money, the few people who are in my reach and who have talked, they are making money about it, I came to really understand that you have to make your video catch people. You have to make your video retain viewers, because they need to get something from you. If they don't get something from you, it means they are going to go off, and if they go out, you will not. It will make the algorithm go down, and the moment it goes down, engagement is not there. It doesn't increase watch time. That means it makes your payments go down. Now, for you to make sure that you get it what they want, you have to make sure that either your video has to be entertaining. If it is not entertaining, it has to catch people to learn from it. And also, if they cannot learn from it, at least it should be a video that it is going to solve a problem. So you should be a problem solver. That's why you see when I tell you that we are into educating people to come out of their poverty. How do they come out of their poverty? We are not the first people to start this. You will not talk about poverty mindset. Every person, there are some people who did it before, so you're not the new person. What do you give different matters a lot. That's why I think most people, and that's why I came to understand that most people who are doing it to $10,000 a month, they have to be having these three things of making sure their videos catch retention. They make sure that their videos at least are watched for some minutes, more than 4 minutes. Then we go to engagement and community building. Community building, I first had on it. It's not about viewers. These people really build community. If we go to one of the videos that brought for me some money, most people really did engagement, and some of people really shared. Others went ahead, and you can see like the views, you can see the likes are more than others. Even if we go to also this influencer person, this lady that has taught me a lot of things, let's go to her page and see how is her engagement and community building. If you see her engagement here is so good, people are asking, people want to know. It means it sends a message to YouTube that no, it sends a message to the algorithm that no, this thing is very essential to the community. So it ends up also, algorithm also, YouTube ends up sending it to another community and ends up being good. So here I can tell you that engagement is another key factor. The more you interact with your audience, the stronger your community becomes. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create video based on viewer suggestions. A royal community not only watches your video but also shares them, which helps your channel grow organically. Guys, let's go and see. If you see this lady called Ruth Ohams. I'm going to be using her because she's really a teacher and she has taught us from her experience. What you see on this channel now, the money we get, the upgrade we've gotten is because of her. Really, if you see on it, you can see that she always engages her audience. She always asks questions, even in her beginning, even in her ending. This has created a tight-knit community that supports her by watching every video, by purchasing her things, and even by purchasing even what she says as in terms of package, and even by it helps her reaching the 10,000 monthly goal. Can we talk about monetization strategies? Monetization strategy, finally, let's discuss it. to hit the 10k per month, you need to diversify your income streams. While AdSense is a start, it's often not enough by itself. Such small channels supplement their earnings through affiliate marketing, brand partnership, selling courses or merchandise, and even Patreon membership. I can go to Odetta. If I show you Odetta's channel, this is one of the ladies that first made me love how to make money with apps, in particular with a paid work. This lady, if you go to her channel, yes, she's earning a lot of money through AdSense, but apart from that, you can see how she has a patron. It is called she has developed a patron membership whereby members go there and buy it. She has also built a brand partnership. She sells courses. There are very many, even Ruth Oham's sells courses. So she even does affiliate marketing like on Amazon and even other channels. So I feel that you people, if we were to hit this 10,000 US dollars, we need to make sure we support our AdSense by doing these things, especially for people who are not very busy like me. You can go and start selling courses. Courses do profit a lot. However, you have to start slowly by slowly. You have to start step by step, such that you can build a relationship with the audience, even develop trust from people. Now let's go and see this one. You can see, we can again see Ruth Oham's. Ruth Oham's earns through AdSense, but her main source of income is also in other things. Strategically, you can see
through other means, coaching, one-on-one, but I wanted to earn with YouTube ad revenue. There are people that I coach one-on-one, 30 minutes coaching call. If you check my description of this particular video, you can book a call. And that's how I've been generating money on YouTube for the longest time. But I wanted to generate money through YouTube ad revenue, but I couldn't do it.
She has very many things she's selling. Let's go, let's check in it. She has a lot of other materials that she sells. So you can also adopt to this such that we can earn more money. So guys, from what I've really showed, this is part one of it. You can make money. You can make money. This 10,000 US dollars out of YouTube, but don't base only on AdSense. You can also go and make sure that you broaden your goals, your streams of income. However, it's not a must. Don't feel me talking like that and you go and say, okay, let me start doing this and this. No, it will depend on what time you have, what you love, the consistency and focus. Thank you very much, you guys. If you know you like this video, kindly go to the comment section, write something there. Don't forget to send it to your friend. Don't forget to like this video. A like means a lot to us. This has been Christine. See you. Bye bye.